Imagine being able to face life's ups and downs with a calm heart and a clear mind. This isn't just a distant dream, but a real possibility when you master the art of detachment. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does detachment mean in this context? It's not about becoming indifferent or uncaring. Instead, think of it as a superpower. Detachment allows you to navigate through life's challenges with grace, maintaining your inner peace and clarity no matter what the world throws your way. It's about being fully engaged in the present, loving deeply yet not being overwhelmed by temporary emotions or circumstances. This ability isn't just life-changing. It's the secret to unlocking a superior level of human capability and achieving unparalleled personal growth. Through this journey, we'll explore how to cultivate this powerful state of being, ensuring you can live a life filled with more joy, resilience, and fulfillment. Delving into the heart of detachment reveals a world where freedom and resilience flourish. At its core, this philosophy is not about renouncing the world or the joys it offers. Rather, it's about cultivating a space within ourselves that remains undisturbed by life's ever-changing tides. Imagine standing in the eye of a storm, yet feeling an unshakable peace. This is the mental freedom detachment brings, a liberation from the clutches of fleeting emotions and situations. Now, it's crucial to distinguish between detachment and indifference. Some might think detachment means becoming cold or disinterested. But here's the beautiful truth. Detachment is a deep engagement with life, paired with a wise understanding that our happiness isn't tethered to external circumstances. Unlike indifference, which is a lack of concern or connection, healthy detachment empowers us to love fully, to engage passionately, and yet not be swayed or broken by the inevitable changes life presents. It teaches us to hold our experiences with a gentle grip, appreciating the moment without fear of loss. This subtle art is about finding strength in vulnerability, courage in letting go, and immense growth in the space between holding on and moving forward. Stepping into the practice of detachment opens doors to a sanctuary of emotional and mental well-being. It's like discovering a hidden pathway to serenity amidst the chaos of everyday life. When we learn to detach, we're not evading our feelings or ignoring our troubles. Instead, we're giving ourselves permission to experience life fully without letting our peace be hijacked by every passing storm. This gentle yet profound shift reduces the weight of stress and anxiety, allowing us to breathe easier, think clearly, and live more joyfully. Detachment teaches us to navigate the waters of our emotions without getting lost at sea. It doesn't mean we stop feeling deeply. On the contrary, it allows us to experience our emotions with clarity and wisdom, understanding that they are transient visitors, not permanent residents. By not clinging tightly to every thought and feeling, we cultivate a resilience that buoys us through life's highs and lows with grace and balance. In the realm of relationships and social interactions, the practice of detachment works like magic, transforming how we connect with others. It encourages us to engage with people from a place of fullness, not neediness or dependency. This shift in perspective fosters relationships rooted in freedom and respect for each other's journeys. We become better listeners, more empathetic friends, and more loving partners, all because we've learned to love without conditions and expectations. Detachment also enhances compassion, both for ourselves and for others. When we're not entangled in the minutiae of personal dramas, we gain a broader perspective on the human experience. We become more understanding and forgiving, recognizing that everyone is doing their best within their own set of challenges. This compassionate stance breaks down barriers, allowing us to connect more genuinely and supportively. Ultimately, the practice of detachment is a gift we give ourselves and those around us. It's a journey towards cultivating an inner sanctuary of peace that influences every aspect of our lives. By accepting detachment, we're not withdrawing from life, but choosing to engage with it more meaningfully. We learn the art of holding on loosely to the world, discovering in the process a deeper, more resilient form of happiness and connection. Starting on the journey to master detachment begins with a pivotal step: recognizing our attachments. It's like turning on a light in a room that's been dark for too long, revealing what's been holding us back. These attachments could be to people, possessions, or even ideas and beliefs about ourselves and the world. The first step is to ask ourselves, what am I holding onto that no longer serves me? This question, simple yet profound, opens the door to self-awareness and is the foundation upon which detachment is built. Understanding the effects of these attachments on our lives is equally crucial. Like vines that wrap around a tree, our attachments can constrict our growth, often so subtly that we don't notice until we feel the squeeze. By examining how these attachments influence our emotions, decisions, and interactions, we gain insight into the cost of holding on too tightly. It's a moment of truth where we see clearly how what we cling to defines and often limits us. The next step is learning how to let go, and mindfulness stands out as a powerful tool in this process. Mindfulness teaches us to live in the present moment, observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's about noticing the grip of attachment and gently loosening it, moment by moment, with kindness and patience towards ourselves. Through mindfulness, we learn the art of presence, which is essential for detachment. Meditation deepens this practice by offering a space to connect with our inner selves on a profound level. It allows us to step back from the noise of our attachments and find the quiet within. In this silence, we discover the strength and clarity to release what no longer serves us. Meditation doesn't just help us let go, it transforms our relationship with ourselves and the world around us. Journaling is another transformative practice that complements mindfulness and meditation. It provides a canvas to express our thoughts and feelings and to dialogue with our inner selves. Journaling prompts such as, "What am I afraid of losing?" or "How does this attachment serve me?" can guide us through the introspective process of identifying and understanding our attachments. Writing down our fears, hopes, and dreams related to detachment brings them into the light, making them easier to understand and navigate. The act of letting go is a practice in itself, one that requires patience, compassion, and repetition. It's not about achieving perfection or never feeling attached again. Instead, it's about becoming more conscious of our attachments and choosing to respond differently. Every moment presents a new opportunity to practice letting go, whether it's releasing a grudge, a past hurt, or an outdated self-image. Encouragement and support from others who are on the same path can be incredibly valuable. Sharing experiences and insights, whether through conversation or community groups, can provide comfort and motivation. Knowing we're not alone in our struggles to let go can make the journey feel more doable and less daunting. Ultimately, mastering detachment is a journey back to our true selves. It's about peeling away the layers of attachment that cloud our vision and discovering the freedom, peace, and joy that lie underneath. Each step, each practice, and each moment of letting go bring us closer to living fully, deeply, and authentically. It's a journey worth taking, one that enriches not just our lives, but the lives of those around us. Bringing the art of detachment into our daily lives isn't about creating distance from the world, but about weaving a practice of inner balance and peace into the fabric of our everyday experiences. One of the most accessible and powerful practices to begin with is practicing gratitude exercises. Starting or ending your day with a simple gratitude list can transform your perspective, shifting focus from what you're attached to appreciating what you already have. This practice grounds us in the present and cultivates a sense of abundance and contentment, crucial pillars of detachment. Setting intentions to release specific attachments each day is another effective practice. It could be as straightforward as saying to yourself, "Today, I let go of my need for approval from others," or "Today, I release my worry over things I cannot control." These daily affirmations serve as gentle reminders of our commitment to detachment, guiding our thoughts and actions toward freedom and peace. Integrating mindfulness into our daily activities is another transformative step. Whether eating, walking, or engaging in conversation, doing so with full presence and awareness can deepen our practice of detachment. It teaches us to engage fully with the moment without being ensnared by past regrets or future anxieties. This moment-to-moment awareness is the essence of living a detached yet deeply connected life. Maintaining a balance between detachment and engagement is key to a fulfilling life. It's understood that detachment doesn't mean disengagement from the beauty, love, and excitement life offers. Rather, it's about engaging with life on a deeper level, free from the fear of loss or change. This balance ensures we live fully, love deeply, and yet remain centered and peaceful within. To achieve this balance, it's helpful to regularly check in with ourselves, asking questions like, "Am I holding on to this situation or emotion out of fear or love?" And, "Is my engagement with this aspect of my life enhancing my peace or disturbing it?" Such introspection helps us to realign our actions with the principle of detached engagement, ensuring we're living by our deepest values. Accepting the practice of detachment also involves accepting and letting go of the need for outcomes to be a certain way. It's about doing our best, then stepping back and letting life unfold. This acceptance doesn't dampen our passion or drive. Instead, it frees us from the anxiety of attachment to results, allowing us to experience a deeper joy in the process of living and contributing. Incorporating detachment into daily life is a journey toward inner freedom and joy. It's a path marked by gratitude, intention, mindfulness, and balance. As we practice these principles, we find ourselves more deeply engaged with the present, more compassionate towards others, and more at peace with the ever-changing dance of life. This is the true essence of living detachedly, fully immersed in the beauty of the moment, yet free from the chains of attachment. As we wrap up our exploration of the art of detachment, remember that this journey is one of immense growth and liberation. Mastering detachment is not an overnight transformation, but a gentle unfolding, a path paved with patience, practice, and persistence. It's a testament to the strength within each of us, a strength that allows us to experience life's fullness while remaining anchored in our inner peace. I encourage you from this moment forward to pause and reflect on your attachments. Ask yourself, what am I holding on to that might be holding me back? Begin to implement the strategies we've discussed today, whether it's starting your day with gratitude, setting intentions to let go, or accepting mindfulness in your daily tasks. Remember, detachment doesn't mean distancing yourself from the world, but engaging with it more profoundly, without letting it define or consume you. I invite you to share your thoughts, experiences, or any practices that have helped you along the path of detachment. Your journey is unique, and sharing it can inspire and encourage others on their own paths. So, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And if you've found value in this discussion, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more insights into living a more peaceful, balanced, and joyful life.